How to turn minimal free time into maximum productivity. Many people wonder how they can meet goals, start a new hobby, or be truly productive when they're limited in free time. The answer lies in being able to effectively manage your time. If you can't manage your free time, you will not have enough hours in the day to get things done. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take the little free time you have every day and turn it into something powerful. Start with the most important tasks. You probably have hundreds of things to do every day, from taking care of the kids, working, cleaning, laundry, finding time to exercise, and making time for your own hobbies. The best way to manage your free time is to start with the most important tasks. Instead of multitasking, try to do one important task and then move on to the next one. Do the least important task last. Do something different every day. In your slot of free time, do something a little different each day. One day you can read a book, the next day you can exercise, the next day you can do a hobby you love. By doing something different every day, you're also not getting bored or burnt out. Even with small amounts of free time, you can do something you love every day by changing your routine and patterns. Take breaks. You might think you can't take breaks during the day because you're too busy and you have to keep moving. However, most people find that breaks allow them to focus and get more things done quickly. Every time you finish a task, take a break. Then you can move on to the next task and take another break after that one. This is a simple way to get things done, but it also makes free time. During these small breaks, you can do more than just scroll on your phone or watch TV. Try going for a walk, doing some yoga stretches, or starting that new book that's been sitting on the shelf. Don't get distracted. When doing important tasks that need to be done, try not to get distracted. Turn off the TV and your phone. Try to find a quiet place, and ask for help with kids or pets when needed so you can stay focused. If you get distracted, you'll have less free time and therefore less time to be productive. Make your free time longer. How? There are many things you do throughout the day without knowing it that cut down on your free time. Spending too much time on social media or watching TV while working distract you and lead to smaller amounts of free time overall. Cutting out bad habits can make your free time longer and give you more time to yourself. I hope these simple tips have shown you how to take minimal free time and turn it into a time that can be fun and productive.